Good morning to you all. Myself Dharmin Kumar Singh, the principal of JS Public School. First of all, I am going to welcome the panel members, the honorable panel members, Mrs. Aparna Ere, the principal of DAV Public School, Sector 14, Gurgaon, Haryana. And the second one is Surbhi Dua, the principal of Ramjas Public School, Pusa Road, New Delhi. We are here to make the video for upgradation to secondary to senior secondary level. So here we will start. This is JS Public School. I am just going to enter into the school premises. Now come. For the COVID reasons, the school is now not running, but we are taking the safety precautions. Guard sir will take all the measures of safety. Also we will take the temperature. Now we will see, this is the security room. This is operating 24/7 always, and all the security measures is taken care here. Now we will come into the school premises. The JS Public School is run by Sai Vikas Seva Trust, and the whole campus is approximately 6.5 thousand square meter. And now we are going into the school premises. It is a combination of greenery, also the modern equipments. The whole campus is covered by Wi-Fi. You can operate your devices anywhere from any point of the campus. Now look at the one boundary wall. It is covered with the greenery. The 2/3 area of the school has been covered by the greenery. Now we are approaching towards the assembly area. Just look over the whole environment. It is having this distance from the city area to avoid the noise and city pollution. Now we are approaching towards the transport area. The transport system is standing here. This is just in front of the main building, so that the students may ply on or ply off from the transport section. You are seeing the number of the buses. This has been allotted according to the area. Now just look over the main administrative building. It has been fully equipped with Wi-Fi. Anybody who is entering into the premises may operate his or her own devices by this provision. Also we are having a emergency gate over there for any kind of problem or any bad or hard situation. This is created for that. Now we will approach towards the assembly section. Just have a quick look over the assembly area. This has been totally equipped and covered by the greenery. The small plants just surrounded the assembly ground, and the assembly ground is totally covered with green grasses. This would be the assembly section. From here we will operate all the commands and instructions for the assembly, and the students used to stand here. Now you will see the archery practice performed by our sports teacher, Mr. Abhishek, the expert for archery. He will perform a shot for you. This ground is specially used for the archery practices. The target has been established over there, and all the interested persons, whether they belong to he and she, they will operate the bow, also the arrow, towards their archery satisfaction. Now our sports teacher is hitting the target, and it has been done. So respected panelists, just have a quick look over the assembly area. This has been operated from this side. The instruction and command, it will be provided from that side, and the students used to stand here and they will perform all the action that were instructed from that dais. Now we are approaching towards the main entrance, the main administrative building. As you can see, the whole area has been covered with greenery. Now we are coming the second ground. This ground is made for the volleyball practices. Here the sports teacher is standing and he will just show you the volleyball hook-off. That's nice, but out from the court, please come. Now we are approaching towards the main administrative building. As you may see, the whole area, it has been covered by green plantation. This is toward a step to make the student aware so that they may know the Go Green thesis. The whole area is again surrounded by the greenery. This area is specially for the class 1 to 5 section. They will practice their sports need. They will satisfy their sports needs here. And now this is the badminton court. The standard badminton court. It has been established for the satisfying the appetite of the players of the JS Public School. Respected panelists, we are also having the generator silent 3-phase generator supply. It is a silent generator to fulfill the 24-hour, 24/7, the needs for energy for JS Public School. We are also having that. Now we are approaching towards the main entrance. After just finishing the greenery, you will approach the main track, from where you will see the main reception area of the JS Public School. This area, this is established specially for setting the parents for having any kind of queries, any kind of request, any kind of suggestion, any kind of complaints. They can register here over the help desk. Now respected panelists, I am just entering into the main entrance of the JS Public School. This is the reception. Also, this is the help desk of JS Public School. For the COVID provisions and the COVID reasons, we are also having the security provisions over there. You have to have your whole body clean. After cleaning and sanitizing, you may enter into the main premises. Now, this is the safety measure. It started from just the COVID emerges into the India and established for the sanitization and avoiding the contamination of COVID-19. Now you can see the office. This is the main cash counter of the JS Public School. You may see we are having the windows for any kind of functions related to the cash and queries. The whole system is equipped with IT provisions, and also we are having the computers, different type of printers for any kind of confirmation and result. Now this is the main compartment of JS Public School. This is the principal office. As you can see, this is the setting for the principal, and the table has been equipped with computers, and this can control all the smart classes by sitting here. Also, you may see the lesson plans and all register, which is kept in front of the principal so that he may plan and guide the teachers for a target based study. Now we will enter into the second main section of the school. This is the main corridor of the public school. And just at my right hand side, this is chemistry lab. You can easily see the board. This is chemistry lab, and it has been established up to the level of senior secondary. Now you may see the fire extinguisher, the portable fire extinguisher, to avoid any kind of inconvenience and mishappening into the lab and outside of the lab. Now I am going to enter into the chemistry lab. Just have a clear look from there. This is the chemistry lab. All the acids, salts, bases, reagents, conical flask, funnels, test tubes are properly kept here for any kind of experiment which has been scheduled in 11th and 12th classes. Now you may see the tap water, running tap water, you may see. This will help for experimental support. Now see the second row. All the reagents, the bases is properly placed into the racks, the Bunsen burner, the funnels, titration tubes, and the taps with running water. It is totally established for all kind of experiment which has been scheduled into the secondary level. Now we are coming. You may see the burners, all the required acids and bases and the composition of that. Now just come towards the third section of the chemistry lab. You may see the arrangements of equipment which has been properly placed into the lab. Just see all the equipment which has been properly placed. For the required amount of the students and strength of the students. Just see on the walls the structure of atoms, the laboratory safety precautions. You may see all the laboratory safety precautions which must be taken into the care after performance, into the performance of any kind of experimentation. You may see the static electricity practical. It has been clearly stated into this poster what is static electricity and the light charge and unlight charges. And without any kind of crowd and mismanagement, the practicals, it will be performed here. They will be performed here. This is the store section of the chemistry lab. And now I am going to introduce you the person who is responsible for the chemistry lab, Mr. Sujit Singh. Sujit Singh is the responsible person for the chemistry lab. He is also having the stock register. Into the stock register, all the incoming apparatus, tools and all the things, it will be kept, and it is kept under this. So respected panelists, just have a clear look once again. And see the aeration and the opening of this chemistry lab. Now I am just approaching towards the biology lab. This is biology lab. You may see this lab has been established and situated for performing all kind of experiment up to the senior secondary level. Now I request you to come into the lab. Before I explain about the lab, respected panelists, just have a clear look. All the equipments, microscopes, compound microscopes, surgical equipments, flask, conical flask specimens, the specimen of octopus, a specimen of frog, the reagents, salts, precipitation tubes, slides, cover slips. It is totally established here for avoiding any kind of inconvenience, so that all the student may perform all the experiment without any kind of hesitation and any inconvenience. You may see the wash basins running with water, the compound microscopes, the burners, the flask, the acids, the specimens which has been properly placed over there to study the morphology of any kind of animal, the starch, the weighings, the temperature weighings, the dissection sets, simple microscopes. Also, the models. This is the model of the human kidney. You may see. This is the human lung. This is the model. This shows the human lungs, the 3D view of the human lungs. Also, respected ma'am, just see, this is the 3D model of the human teeth, so that the students just experience by touching this, where is enamel, where is dentine, what kind of property this cells and the organelles have. This is the human teeth. The number is standard, and all the equipment and the surgical apparatus has been placed into this, so that any student can perform any kind of dissection, bifurcation and cell mounting experiments. You may see all kind of coloring reagents, all kind of conical flasks, models, specimens are kept here. You may see this is the specimen of the frog, and this frog is properly and commonly known as Hyla. By seeing this, any student, they can recognize their previous knowledge about the frog. Also, they may identify this frog into the common nature and environment. You may see the whole lab is equipped and kept with all the charts. This is the chart for circulation of blood. The William Harvey has discovered this, and any students may identify the blood circulation from any kind of body, from any corner of the body, and they may understand the blood circulation. Thank you, ma'am, for having me here. This is the stock register for this lab. All the incoming and outgoing stocks, all the equipments, it has been taken care into this register. As I have told you earlier, this lab is also having the safety with portable fire extinguisher to avoid any kind of inconvenience. Now we will approach towards the physics lab. This lab has been established up to the stairs. You have to come with me. This has been established here for proper light, so that nobody can have any kind of inconvenience in approaching towards the upper section. Now, in upstairs, this is the second wing, which has been kept for classes 6 to 10. Now, you may see all the safety measures which has been taken care for avoiding any kind of inconvenience. And the classroom setups, you may also see a wide large corridor. By covering that, we will approach towards the physics lab. All the areas have been covered with safety measures. The central water cannon, you may see, the Wi-Fi availability is also here. Now see, this is the physics lab. This lab is established for performing all kind of practicals up to the level of senior secondary. This is the entrance of the practical lab. Now, respected ma'am, I am just entering into the physics practical room. Before any kind of introduction, I request you to have a quicker look of the physics lab. You may see the PN junctions, the rheostats, also the PN junctions. We are having for performing of electrical experiments up to the secondary level. Also, we are having the ammeters. Just have a quick look. Ammeters, voltmeters, galvanometers established here for all kind of electrical practicals. Also, we are just approaching this side. This is potentiometer. Please come with me. This is the simple pendulum which is kept here for performing the practical of time taken for a single oscillation and momentum. Now this is the optical bench. Just see, this is the optical bench. We are having a couple of them. These are the lenses. Also, we are having the Ohm's law apparatus. A student can perform the experiment related to the Ohm's law with the help of this equipment. Please have a close look. Ohm's law apparatus. This is Zener diode. Again, this is Zener's diode. Ma'am, just have a look over there. This is the resistance box. This is battery eliminator, and now this is the transistor. Just have a close look. You may see all the charge paper. They are kept here for having the knowledge related to the prism. This poster directly told you about the information of refraction of light by a prism. Also, we are having, you may see, these are the persons who are mainly responsible for physics lab. He is Harsh Kumar Srivastava and she is Archana Mishra. And we are having the stock registers with us. All the upcoming apparatus devices are properly kept and registered here. All the dispatches has been clearly made into this register. This is the stock register. And this is the arrangement for the practical. Each and everything has been recorded into our labs. Now I am exiting from the physics lab and approaching towards the math lab. Ma'am, just you are seeing within the corridor on the left hand side, the math lab has been established for performing all the experiments related to mathematics up to senior secondary level. This is the math lab. Before any kind of description, just have a clear look for this lab. Now you may see the chalkboard for analyzing and this way. You may see the chalkboard for any kind of analyzation of formulas related to mathematics. We are having the chart for explanation of the fraction. You may see the positioning of the numerator and denominator also, like and unlike fractions, improper fractions. Now these boards easily explains the theory related to the mathematics. You may see all the geometrical shapes just put over there. Just have a clear look. The lab is established for understanding the math in better way. You may see the geometrical tools so that any student may identify the geometrical shapes, can analyze the formulas, and can implement the formula with the proper result. You may see the geometrical apparatus. You may see these all apparatus, they are used, they will be used, and they are nowadays using on the chalkboards, also on the marker boards. Just see the compass. For derivation and making the angles, also we are having different kinds of cups, jugs. For volumetric analysis, you may see with proper measurement, the students may analyze the volumetric analysis by using these apparatus. You may see the small balls for having the mathematical experiments, the spherical balls for having the clearance according to the mathematical experiments. Also, we are having the angle meters, the clinometer. You may see now the angle is 90, if I am correct. You may see the scale, the dividers. Again a compass, the set squares, the protectors, they are firmly kept here for having any kind of experience and understanding the maths in easy way. Before leaving the math, I want to introduce the person responsible for the maths, Mr. Vijay Narayan. He is the responsible person for this lab. Now before leaving the lab, I request you to have a proper and clear look. Now we are approaching towards the library. Before library, we will enter into the IT lab. You may see the IT lab in the same corridor, the airy and the full light having corridor. We are having the entrance gate of IT section. You may see this is the computer room. The area is especially designed for having any kind of knowledge related to computer, related to subject, related to modern query, related to any kind of reference. We are having this section. This is the computer lab. Before entering into the lab, I request you, ma'am, please have a clear look for this. All the systems is installed with Wi-Fi, so the students can easily access the internet and proper formal windows has been accessed into each and every system. As you may see, both software and hardware practices, they all were performed, they will be performed. This is the internal section of a CPU, you may see. For giving the students a clear look for a computer, you may see the equipments. Now we are coming out from the computer lab. I want to show the next section of the public school. This is the library. This is the central library of the JS Public School, you may see. And now, ma'am, I request to have a clear look with me into the library. You may see this is a clean, airy and spacious library. All the records, all the books, reference books, the fiction and non-fiction books, informative books, all have been kept here. And these are in proper arrangement so that a student can easily access this library and racks for their own convenience. The whole library, it is equipped with more than 3,000 books related to different arena of knowledge. You may see the seating arrangement. At a time, more than 30 students may sit and satisfy their appetite of knowledge with these books. Now we are having our librarian. Librarian ma'am, you may show the stock register, the indent register, the accession register.
So this is the accession register, the number of books that we have endorsed in the register, and we have sufficient books, more than 3,000 books right now in our library, and some of books have been issued to the students.
Okay.
This is the issue register that we are having, the number of books that has been issued to the students. You may have a look. And these are some formats and catalogs, that kind of books we are having in our library.
Now you may see these books belongs to the maths. All the books belong to the maths from different classes and different structure and status. These are the science books. These books totally belong to the computer and GK. These are moral science books for personality development, fiction and non-fiction books, properly arranged and placed over there. Before leaving this, I request you to have a clear look. By this area, we will approach towards the rest area, the laboratories used by he and she. This is the restroom which will be used by the she's. There is proper washing area. You may see the wash basins, the taps with proper water supply. Also, we are having the washrooms. Also, we are having the proper sitting rooms for their daily need. This is a proper airy, cleaned and water supplied area to avoid any kind of inconvenience for any student's daily need. You may see the cleanness of this area. Now this is the drinking water supply. You may see this area. This area is also for drinking water. The water supply has been given for drinking. All the taps are properly given the water. Now I want to make you to see the washroom for the gents, the male students, the boys. You may see the urinals with proper separations. Also you may see these kind of compartments with their proper basins so that they may clean their hands properly. The proper sanitization practices and the method and the benefit has been clearly mentioned in these type of stickers so that they may avoid any kind of COVID situation and they have easy cleanness of their hands. Now we will move towards the stairs. The such kind of placement, the same placement is on the upstairs also. By moving down, we will approach towards the classes of class 1 to 5 and just see the cleanness and easiness to approach, to come up and to come down. This is the area. By moving in and out, the students may approach to the junior wing and senior wing. Also we are having this kind of puppets for having any kind of wastage so that the student may have the idea to clean their corridor, clean, safe and secure. Now just have a quick look. This is the lavatory. This is the washing area. You may see the arrangements here. The urinals are properly demarcated and separated. You may see this is the proper sanitizers kept here for sanitizing and cleaning their hands. Now we are out from this area and now I am approaching towards the internal sports area. This is the arrangement and cleanness you want to see. Then you may see this is the area which has been used by the C's. This is the wash basins properly arranged by the hand sanitizers and hand cleaners and the proper sitting areas. Just have the airy look, the light and the cleanness of this area. The students may love to use this area without having any kind of inconvenience. I'm just approaching towards the indoor sports room. This is the indoor sports room. This is our sports room, indoor sports room. You may see the sports teacher having the placement and showing you the table tennis. Just have a quick look. These are the sports equipment properly placed. This is for horse riding, the carom boards with proper strikers, the seating arrangement for the boards, the rackets. This is the airy room. If the students have the time, the rest time, they may use this room for indoor sports. Now before entering into the next section, you may see the music room. This is the music room for satisfying the appetite of the music of the students. Now I am entering into the music room. This is the music hall. All the music instruments which we are going to introduce in front of our student, which we are just make them to study from, are kept here. The wired instrument, the play instrument, also the air instrument, the harmonium and the tablas also. This is the ma'am responsible for the vocal music. Just play. A smash of song. Just start that. The ma'am is having all kind of knowledge for all kind of rag, songs and music, Western, Indian and the folk also. And she is having the attendance register for his planning, arrangement and placing of the student. What she has given to the student and what student are knowing. All things are kept into the mind, also into this register of the ma'am. Now ma'am, just I am exiting from this room and I am entering into the art and craft room. Ma'am, you are aware with the curiosity of the students to create something new by the provided, by the given, by the waste material. For that, I am requesting you to come with me into the art and craft room so that you may know what kind of preparation we are having into this section. Now, ma'am, I am entering into the art and craft room. You can see the sculptures, the arts, the art pieces created by the student by the waste materials. You may see the flower pots, this kind of pen stand, also this models. This is made of dispo glasses. Before coming out into this room, I want to introduce our art and craft teacher, Kritanki Jaiswal. She is having a very good knowledge of art and crafting. She is having the raw material and she is creating, what is this ma'am?
This is paint, sir. For using the best.
By using the waste material, the pencil. Just see ma'am, this is the pencil waste and the ma'am is creating a creation by this kind of waste material. May use his intensity and curiosity for creating this kind of sculptures, waste material, models, monuments and models. For giving me time, thank you very much ma'am. I am coming out from the art and craft room. You may see this is the main corridor of the lower wing. This is the class arrangement. You may see both sides we are having, and I want to introduce you. This is the water cannon which will be used if any kind of mishappening happens due to fire. This is the pipe. The water comes out from this pipe with a force and it can neutralize all kind of fire situation. We are having that. Despite of this, the portable fire extinguisher. Now coming towards the next, I am going towards the counselor room. Ma'am, you are knowing different students have the different kind of mind and they are having the different mind situation. For having inconvenience in study, inconvenience in behave, hard behave and other incapable activities. So teacher can just refer to that kind of student, whether they are belonging he or she, to the counselor room, and counselor ma'am deals all the situation to neutralize all the mishappening, miscreativity and misactivity into the student's mind. This is the infirmary room and we are having the rest area here with proper air, the primary medical things, and most probably this is also the mask we are having, if we are having that the problem is emerging out and going out from our hand, we will consult to the doctor directly. So this is only for the primary treatment. Now according to the bylaws, I want to have, with your satisfaction ma'am, this is the class 1 to 5. I want to have a polite information about the class first to you. Now I am entering into the class first A section. This is the proper arrangement of the sitting of class first A. You can see easily the proper desk and benches which is properly kept here. Now you can see the chalkboard with information board put over there. You may see the cleanness, the airiness and the light of this room. This is class first A, the seating arrangement of this room. Now I am exiting from this room, and ma'am, I request you to come to the next room. This room has been situated for class 2nd A. You can see the entrance door of the class 2nd A. Also, I am entering into this class. You may see the proper desk and bench arrangement for our minor ones. Now, I request you to come with me to the next class. You can see the class 3rd A. This classroom is properly arranged with modern perspective of the learning and the conventional board as well. Respected ma'am, you may see the overhead projector which is equipped and having the content of extra mark for covering all the curriculum for class 1 to 12. The CPU having the hard disk, having all the information about the related subject, and the keyboard have the operation tactics so that all the action may be provided by the smart tactics, videos and by conventional method also. And this class is surrounded by a surround sound. Now moving towards the other class, this is the upper class. On the same lobby, you may see at the right hand of my position, I am entering into the next class. You may see the overhead projector here, the proper arrangement of the bench and desk, the proper distancing of the benches in between, also having the smart board with proper content capability so that a student can easily access all the information from the related subject. Now I am coming outside to this classroom. Now I am approaching towards the middle wing. I request you to come with me towards the middle wing. The classes include 6 to 10 on the upper segment. You may see by approaching the footstep over there, we will approach towards the middle wing. The whole area is cleaned, being kept safe with any kind of contamination and any kind of accidental situations. You may see the proper light is emerging out from this area. Now I am approaching towards the middle wing. This wing contains the classes up to 6 to 10. I request you to come with me. This section includes the class. Now I request you, ma'am, to come to see the further rooms. This is the class 9th. I am approaching towards the class 9th room. Just see this class 9th room. the bench and desks are properly arranged, and also we are having the modern equipment to satisfy the appetite of the students. We are having the digital content also in the modern class. Also we are having the conventional board. The digital board is having the surround sound. I am requesting you to see the bench and desk size for having the comfortable seating for the students. Now I am approaching towards the next classroom. You may see this is the class 10th wing. The room is responsible for having the student of class 10th. Ma'am, you can see the proper seating arrangement. The desks and benches are properly arranged. We are also having the overhead projector with smart board having the content with proper and suitable access for the student. They may access their knowledge from the video, also from the activities. We are also having the conventional chalkboard. Now I am going exit from this room. Respected ma'am, I am approaching towards the next classroom. You can see this is class 7th. The arrangement is totally the same. Only the desk bench size has been changed. The classroom have the proper airy space, proper light, proper seating arrangement. Now I am coming out from this class. The fans and the proper lights are properly kept here with proper curtains to avoid any kind of overexposure of sunlight. Now I am approaching towards the next classroom. You can see, ma'am, the airiness and the light capability of this corridor. I am entering into this classroom. You can see the fans, the light, the chalkboard, and the proper seating arrangement for proper convenience of the student, so that he or she may keep his school bag here and put on their respected copies and books to access the knowledge given by the teacher. Now I am coming out from this class and going towards the senior secondary wing. Approaching towards this corridor, you can see the classes established in between the corridor and senior secondary sections. It has been kept on the upper side of the main school building. We will approach to the senior secondary wing. I am approaching towards the senior wing. By covering these footsteps, you will lead towards the senior sections of the school. You can see, ma'am, the proper situation of the footsteps, the cleanness, also the proper placings of the footsteps. Now we have approached here. These are the classrooms for 11th and 12th. We are having the more than 6 additional rooms. Ma'am, I request you to come into the room. This is class 11th A. You can see here. This is the proper arrangement for the senior section students. You can see the height and the length of the desks and benches. Also the chalkboard established here for having information and instructions for the related subject. Now I am exiting from this classroom and entering into the next one. By covering this area, we will see the next section of the 11th class, the senior wing. The senior secondary level class is there. You can see the information board over there, class 11th B. This is class 11th B. I am entering into the classroom. You can see the seating arrangement, the height and length of the desks and benches, so that the senior wings can sit easily into these seating arrangements. Also, a teacher can move here and there to access the acknowledgement of the students. Now I am existing outside from the classroom, and we will have class 12, the senior section. I am entering into this room. Ma'am, I request you to come with me and see the arrangement into the senior section. This is class 12A. You may access easily the proper seating arrangement, the curtain arrangement, also the chalkboard, the proper arrangement and adjustment of the chalkboard, so that the student may access easily what the knowledge has been given to them, and they can easily access. And there is a vast area of this classroom, so that a teacher can move here and there, and also the student can easily have interaction with the teacher, and teacher have easily interaction with the student. Just a couple of footsteps coming out from this same passage, you can see the class 12th B. This is class 12th B. I am going to enter into this classroom. You may see the proper seating arrangement and the desk and bench situations placed easily and conveniently to have and avoid any inconvenience of the student. The same passage, the difference in between the bench and desks, also the chalkboard, you can easily access. What is going on into the classroom, it can be seen outside from the corridor, and a student can feel easy to grasp the knowledge which can be flown into this classroom. Because of the COVID situation, as you are firmly aware with that, we are having as much amount of the teacher as the online classes require. As you know, the contamination is spreading here and there, so we are having the required amount of the teacher. They are running the online classes, so they are here. I am just entering into my staff room. Just have a quick look. The teacher will give their introduction by themselves. Just have a seat, please. These are the teachers. They are basically having a hard work for the online classes, and they are the actual backbone of the school. Being a principal, ma'am, you know all the things. So I request the teacher from that room, he will introduce.
I am Vijendra Narayan Dwivedi. I am teacher of mathematics.
I am Priya Singh. I am a teacher of the English. Thank you.
I am Pratibha and I am taking mathematics.
I am Harsh Kumar Srivastava. I am teacher of physics.
I am Aradhna Pani. I am teacher of SST.
I am Priti Singh. I am teacher of SST. I am Archana Mishra. I am the teacher of mathematics.
I am Ritu Singh. I am the teacher of Hindi.
I am Madhu Singh. I am teacher of Hindi.
My name is Sunita Singh and I am the English teacher.
I am Singh. I am taking Hindi.
I am Sujit Singh. I am teacher of science chemistry.
So, by a big thank you from my teacher's side, myself Dharmen Kumar Singh signing off, and hope and have expectation from you both, ma'am, that I am able to give you a quick and thorough view of JS Public School. Thank you from my bottom of heart. Once again, thank you, ma'am.